I'm continuing to work on this sheet metal stainless steel drain pan, and I've got the side installed temporarily with these seat clecos, and I'm gonna run a mark along here to use as a reference because I'm going to put some silicone down there, and I'm going to put tape on there first so that I can peel the tape back and have a nice edge. So I'll remove the clecos now. And I want to mention the clecos are actually color coded. These copper colored ones, they're 1/8 inch diameter holes. And they also have these black and copper ones. The black ones are 5/32 and the brass are 3/16. So they're color coded, so you can, if you got a bunch of them in the drawer, you can easily pick out which color you want to use. So I got a reference line here. I'm just going to put some masking tape down. And the reason for the tape is to be able to remove the silicone sealant so it can squeeze out onto the tape. And then I simply have to peel the tape up to get rid of the excess silicone. And it'll leave a nice finished line. I'll just leave a little extra hanging out there. So I'm going to be riveting, and I've got two types of riveters here. Got the standard hand riveter here, and then I've got this one here that's for larger rivets. So the two rivets that are going in the side here, they're pretty large 1/4 inch rivets, and the other ones are very small 1/8. So I'm going to be using both of these tools today. So what I want to do now is put the silicone in there, and then I'm going to cleco these back in and begin to pop rivet them in place. Just using some industrial grade silicone sealant here. And I'll just apply a pretty generous bead on it. Because I don't have to worry about what any excess I can remove easily with this tape. There's a tool I wish I'd have thought to grab. It's a little key that winds the silicone tube and makes it easy to dispense. I have some in the drawer there, and I just didn't think about grabbing one. But it would make your life a lot easier. So I just want to have a watertight seal here on this pan. All right, got the silicone on. Pretty strong smelling stuff. So I'm going to drop this in and pop cleco in there. I'm trying to do it from the back side this time because I'm going to flip this over. Got two clecos in. And I can go ahead and pop rivet these big ones on the side. So what you do is just load the rivet in the gun there, and it'll catch the broken off tail in here, so you don't have to worry about driving over it and getting flat or something. Okay, that's one of them. One more to drop in here. There's a pretty strong rivets there. So I'm done with the large ones. So I'm going to flip this over. I want the pop rivets on the outside to be smooth. So I'm going to be doing a riveting from this side. So I'm going to leave those clecos in while I pop in the other ones. And these are just standard 1/8" rivets here. The clecos make it nice and holds everything in alignment, so you don't really have to fight it. I drilled these holes sequentially one at a time, and use clecos to maintain the alignment as I continued the drilling. So you don't have to chase the holes. So now I've got to the end where I need to remove the clecos and put in a rivet. That's basically what these do. That's their intended purpose. One left here. All the rivets in. So I'm going to wipe the excess silicone off of this side first. And so when I flip it over, all I should have to do now is peel this tape back and seal the silicone on here. I can go ahead and peel that off now, and there's no further cleanup needed, except maybe on my hands. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to let this cure up, and then the next step I'll be working on the front panel here, which I'm going to be making this out of wood on the front.